My people no know what your Omozuo do. Omozuo go the record Americana. Record Americana sister. Record Americana uncle. All the period where Omozuo they shout for live video say Queenie record the way, Queenie record the way. Omozuo was even the one recording his girlfriend. My people, I don't see this kind of thing before. Thanks for joining Mama Bridget. Omozuo was the one recording his girlfriend. Omozuo na can record the girlfriend. Before the woman can go saga me for one man platform for Jamie. Una remember when Omozuo Omozuo go call her, go tell her say Omozuo de Mama Kevias. Thanks for joining Mama Moyemi. Omozuo de Mama Kevias. He go tell the lady say, Queen dey live video. Queen they insult you, whereas I know insult her. I was talking to Omozuo. Omozuo don't know the way he wanted to pursue this lady. He can't put her for my head. He can't put her for my head. The lady come here now. He not ask me. He not call me. He can't go pay presenters. According to caller way come here now. He said the audio was there. Say she called the thought to Omozuo say why Omozuo can't they find the people where she pay. The name of the presenter, I'm go here. Tomorrow I'm going to play everything. Una go here because if I expose who I want to expose finish, I will put them for basura. Una they get me. When she called the thought of Omozuo say, why Omozuo can't they pay people where she go recruit to come fight me with Ibizugbe? Una they get me. Not beside the verse or the woman now, and not the verse or her because after what she plan against me, Ropamagba. You know work. She go pay people to come beat me with Ibizugbe enter house. But she come out and say it for the same platform, say she with Ibizugbe not get problem. Now they see how people they use person for this. Now they see how people can be manipulated. I get all he shot all the video from A to Z. I call the cut and keep because I know say a day like this could come. She got to say she not tell she with Ibizugbe no get problem. Say now only me they insult her. When we say I know even insult her. Meanwhile, she don't go pay people to come saga us. When those one now they fight me or they were about to fight me, Frank come they saga them. Because Frank knows say she give them money. Frank wants spoil that contract for her hand. Now they get me. The video now as in I don't even know because the way I tell they happy, I don't even know how I tell it because the thing even be like I was like I be not talk to this woman. Till tomorrow now, if they say me they go bring all Jabi video, can say me Queen insult this lady, they should go and bring it. You know they. You know they. So I wish as they come they do that thing. No be they not carry my name, go talk this one, Queen. I wish maybe my enemy call by people for not know what take by me. Therefore no say na jealousy and conspiracy. Neither they want take by me. Jealousy and conspiracy. For no reason. I carry everybody as my own. Even as they talk all this matter, since I don't hear one audio say, Queen can't go live for this one, Queen can't go fight this one, because I don't get that time. Not because I know they talk. I talk, but I don't get that time. I take everybody as if you do something we're not good. If I tell you say this thing you do not good, now you know I'll bone you bone the thing. Why varying? Now you know. Now they get me, but these people they try to, I don't know what they won't do. They try to bring me down, lie against me, and bullied me for free. And bullied me for free. Since that day, my people, Facebook unama de egbeko. Facebook unama de egbeko. Now so, from 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, 3 weeks, all the conspiracy can they open one by one. All the conspiracy can they open one by one. As they pay people, I can't hear that one. How many presenters they pay? I can't hear that one. These people went as far to go to my family. They go record my own brother. Because of good when I do. Because of good when I do. They say, Queen record there. Me no even know say na Frank Omozuo. Now they record this woman with her family. I felt talking. I say for Omozuo do something. She go forgive Omozuo. You will not do anything. She will put the aggression for your body. My people, not be this way me they talk. So I'm coming tomorrow to do a proper video about it. Not beside the vessel. Not beside the thing they pay me. I they happy. Now know why they happy? Because the remaining small truth will remain. Frank Omozuo don't use the maths, leak and throw away. with evidence. He don't use the mat, lick and throw away. Now they get me. Omozuo don't use the mat, lick and throw away. And he go still lick more. Don't say Omozuo they lie. Omozuo they lie. Until that one talk the whole truth as it be. If not, if this shame and this grace, if you know if it clear for your head, now so no that one go consider the joiner for them. Because Omozuo na wish. Thank you, Mama Chelsea. Omozuo na witch. My people, if I tell now, I not go believe you. Now good. Now I do for all these people good. Now I do, especially this Omozuo. Now good I do for them. I see say that they beat her for those about space they won't buy her. Even most of the time, they beg me, could you come support her? Could you come support her? I'll say no, I don't feel support her about that. But sometimes I'll see them say, because of saying as the people they say that we be friends, all those things, I'll consider support. I'm not saying about it. Not knowing that if they find where to go buy me for his house. Now they get me. The audio where Omozuo will play, where he can't lie. There's one audio when I'll still play tomorrow. He won't talk where God they tell the woman. When the woman come they ask her, say, Omozuo call they short her for live, say call they short her for live video. Omozuo want to talk. Omozuo say, me, insult your papa, he useless papa. Right no war. He say me insult, he useless papa. My people, video when I do for a say, maybe I will share the video. Maybe tomorrow morning I will share the video. And I'll go see video when I do for a say. When I tell do video for a say, me with Frank never get saga. Me with Frank never get saga. The reason why I say saga the woman so, when they uptown, it was because of Becky. Una they get me. The reason why I say saga that woman when they America, it was because of Becky. I tell you because of Becky. I not saying that Becky caused the fight or no. I say Becky tell her say na be Frank wife. I say Becky tell her say na be Frank wife. So because I said already know say Becky na Frank wife. I say come begin the saga that woman where the uptown may leave he go father alone. Say he go father get wife. Say he go father get wife where he won't marry, which is Becky. When Omozuo call me with a say for a platform, say one settle mumu settlements, my people. Me and Frank, I never insult Frank Papa or me not say as Omozuo de lie. Me insult Frank Papa, now Frank go call me with a say for a platform, say one settle us. When we reach Frank Omozuo platform, Omozuo not see better thing talk. He say, when you see video where me do. Now when me see I say the saga that woman, now people still call me, even the woman so call me say, Queen, see, I say, put my picture, they sort the head for them. Now say, no, what I can't want to say, me stop that thing. I can't do video, I can't want to say. Say, I say, this kind of thing where they do, so no good. You say, Frank, now your godfather. Why you call they insult this person where they support your godfather? Now so you be. Now God say, I don't want to come out for you. As you just do one, so he don't do. I never even cut that video. I say, enter live video. Begin they insult the same lady. Come put her mama picture for there. Before I come bomb blast, I say, when me call the saga, I say back. Now Omozuo come. They cut them, say, no good. These two people, as I said, they be, you need to settle them. Omozuo come call us sick. Already he got the verse for me. You know, see my pecus. Now that one, the pain. Omozuo come call me with essay. Wait, they live video. He want talk. Now small you take quarter with essay. Now small you take quarter with essay. Now there if you come ask essay, whether you introduce Becky to her as his wife. Whether you introduce Becky to her as his wife, why I say go talk, say Becky na his wife, because I say talk that thing for this live video first. He can't quarrel with a say for that one. Then he can't say the remaining one. Now queen video you wash as my sequence so now snake the way they do this one, the way they do that one. Una they get me. That I know insult the papa. I never even insult the papa. That I never even know whether I almost will get papa. Una they get me. He come quarrel with her say, how you admit here you say Becky na my wife. Now that period Becky with her say can't get issue. Where say can't say Omozuo disgrace her for a platform say he come like say he dey lie. Say me Becky can't talk with it. She tell her. Una remember that saga between Essay and Becky. Where Essay talk say na Becky tell her say now Frank Omozuo babe. Now so that matter they happen my people. Now, all the way Omozuo play yesterday. When he with the woman come later settle for that insult where I say insult her. He won't lie. He said Miko they insult him useless papa with his mama. He said the woman saw. He said the woman not talk, but the woman called a complaint say insult her. My people, now they see conspiracy. Una they see conspiracy because of the hatred. And Franco Mozuo because they don't see my bekus. That since that time. Even before that time, we don't feel they try many things. They tell that one block Ekwenima. But I so much thank God. Say, everything almost was said about me. Ekweni record. Ekweni on Adano. Ekweni on no. Now he can record the whole family now. Not is alobuame. Almost Zoma be go kereme bisa. At least the family side may they cut and throw away. Almost while your boy record you. Or what pion your biungo bokma. Almost you call the record your girlfriend. Imagine the time when you don't start to the record your girlfriend. Imagine the time. How many years ago? When I say, me with a say take saga. How many years ago when almost don't record the girlfriend? You really know say you won't marry the woman, you go record them. Almost the way they lie say you know the record person. Snitch. Almost the way you know the record person. I so much appreciate the way you belly audio, no. Mama, I go on, you the belly for one side. This one, you the belly, but why fire down, why appearing? One thing is sure, say, oh, Tony, oh, that house where you won't buy soap, you don't go see that house. Continue. If you even say, if you can't play any audio now, anything where you play now, me go vex for that woman. No. Omozuo, you too small. Omozuo, you too small. I tell my God, say, make he expose you. My God expose you. Not keep one thing remain for your body. He expose you. He not keep one small jar for your body. Who for believe say you the record person? Your own godmother, person where you call godmother. Mama ego where you claim say na your godmother. Look at how fake you are. You recorded your own godmother. Now you consider tell me say, hey Queenie, mama, you have the record mama. That godmother sir. You have the record, whereas you just the record all. Even you were the friend, boy, your girlfriend and your godmother whenever appear recording. Oh, Mozuo. If to say me get one bad thing when me do you, as me and you don't drag body reach on this media. She be you for constantly play my audio. Maybe audio day when I take carry people matter, can't give you some Mozuo. Nene la diambo wow. These people that do they laugh on Facebook, come begin a bid. You know they. If I see say you the saga innocent people, I will still call you. Ah, this is the way they do so no good. Oh. If these people swear for you, go reach your body. Oh. You will say, I'm an aware video ni. Inya moma, I'm a buya, inya moma. I go looking at Hazen on 18. Or Maggie Deg Buenia. 12 years for Europe. You not get one by two. You not get picking. You not get document. You not get front. You not get back. You not get. You want on the saga mama. We go hand talk boy. We go hand talk boy. I shot to ye. You know I play WhatsApp record. My people. My people. Almost would do the record the girlfriend. Even me with never guess saga. He don't the record the girlfriend. Because according to that record, we record for a same matter. When that woman could play a same matter. Now so, now dear matter for start. Now dear matter for start. That was just the beginning of the bass dose. Because after he do move video where he do for a platform, una they get me. And say with Becky saga can escalate. That lady for that side can't find that say, yeah, Frank and Becky get something. Even the woman they call Becky by herself. The woman get Becky contact. She and Becky they communicate. Oh. Una they get me. When I ask Becky, say Becky, you get anything to do with Frank? He say no. No, it's okay. I not go lie. I ask Becky. I tell Becky say what? The reason why I they ask you, this almost will get woman. Oh, not let her deceive you. He get woman where he won't marry. Now they get me because I know Sabi hide something. If Becky there, you go sit talk and say yes, I tell her. Now she can't tell me say no, say nothing like that. Now when they say can't talk, that woman be like that woman can't reach out to Becky. The other can't escalate. Now they get me so. When almost will come find out say the woman where they up and already know say he friend Becky now almost will take tears. As that one where the America put they fight almost war and other almost will get friends now don't find out say almost will they date Becky. Now almost will take wrong go 90 wrong come out for supermarket can't deny can't post Becky picture begin the saga Becky for there. Meaning Frank we don't record there. Yes now. Una they get me. Now almost will take wrong come out for supermarket. Come the saga Becky. Now that supermarket where it dey, as the saga Becky, he can't add me. You understand? He can't add me. Me all of the stay their own. Me all of the stay their own. Even queen where they, I dey come for that one. I shower this one. Now dear Omozwo for start to they insult me. I never insult Omozwo before my people. As he do that video for that supermarket, they send that for me for WhatsApp. I come on my live video. Because even that very day, my voice don't crack because I was on call. I make, like, people call me that day, my phone one boss. Queen la no come out. Queen abe no asara. Queen live on a mumu. Queen live on me de zwo. If, see, I don't even need to lie. If I lie, God, they look me. My voice can't even crack. That my crack voice, not to do video for Omozwo. After Omozwo, don't they insult me, oh. He don't they insult me, oh. He don't add me John Becky, they insult me. They call you mama, Ashago Napoli, 5 euro Ashago. They talk different lies. Now I can do video for and I say, Frank, even if we don't be friends again, it go dey more better if we separate maturely. It go dey more better if we separate maturely. No insult me again for your platform. I not be your small picky, even if I dey respect you. That respect when I get for you, it just end for this particular video when I dey do so. Now at last, if you come out again, come insult me, I go reply you. Now they get me so, my people. Now I can't drop. Now so I don't do that video, Rich. I can't drop the video. When Omozwo come out in the evening, call the saga Becky. He won't talk. He say he won't expose me. He won't talk about me. He can't they use waiting they buy for me. Jewelry is where they buy for me. All of you now remember. Hey, queen in a they use juju collect money for the woman heart. A queen they use juju collect money for the woman heart. The queen now God queen they say. Queen they sell gold. They go no how much they say they sell gold. Million. Now they go they buy gold for the queen where they sell. That one where they call my mommy. That one where don't know mama. Now I come outside first. Now I say Omozwo. Now I know say you are a stupid boy. Now I know say you are a useless boy. You know only they insult me. Because they insult that woman join. Where the America so. Because they insult that one also. Now me come as Omozwo. Now I know say you are a useless boy. I say how dare you insult me? Awa bera wa. Abiogun bera. That video so when me do for Omozwo, when me tell the black after I don't insult me for like 3 times. That video, as I did that live video, a lot of people can say, he don't boss. He don't boss, oh. Queen with a Franco, he don't settle. That time, me with a private investor, me with a VA, they don't praise me with many of them, know they talk because if you follow Omozwo, I cannot agree you cross, even tie road where they need us. You never agree you cross. If you cross, you go say you betray him, you stab him for neck, you stab him for back, or you betray him, or this one, a snitch, or this one, this is not you, no talk. You understand? That video, so when me cut a reply, investor can't join the video. If VA can't join the video. Now they get me when I tell reply Omozwo after 3 times. Wait, daughter, they insult me. When me did that video, they reply Omozwo because Omozwo no let the saga me. If they saga that my way, they America also. As Omozwo they saga me, that as me con the saga back, that woman con they give me star. Now they get me. That woman can't they give me star. Because I know insult the woman. I wish me insult the woman. She forgive me star. The answer is no. The woman can't they give me star. Now you almost will carry the matter. After that video, after I do that video, the woman can't beg me say make I rest. May I leave her say if I dey saga Omozwo go dey drag her. Now they get me. The woman can't tell me say if I dey saga Omozwo go dey drag her. And she got tell me, say, Queen, I beg. If I really dey respect her, may I leave Omozwo. She got to tell me, say, make I not do saga again. Not be even that one when she talk, say, because I dey call her, not the answer money. Even if I call her, she even they call me pass. But I know, say, sometimes I see they call her. Call when me make like 3 years ago. They are still on my phone, because I know they change phone like that. If I go calls, I will see calls of 2021. I can go and screen record it and post it. When I go know, when I look the 2 number, when I know the one where they disturb each other. Una they get me so. The woman go beg me, say, Queen, I beg. May I focus on what I they do. I can't say, okay, no problem. Omozwo come begin they do video. Omozwo come begin they do video. He can't they do video. A lot of people come look and say, be like say Queen don't the fear. Be like say Queen don't do this one. Be like say I just boom. I don't say if it crack finish, may he task. Since now the dollar in the crack, that dollar go buy head. You understand? At that time, God they go the create account dollar wahala. They name me wahala. I never said I gotta do my things. Now know what you Omozwo do. Omozwo do so say, in with the woman let her settle. They can't settle. He can't tell the woman, say the only way they'll take settle, make the woman block me. Make the woman avoid me. Make the woman not even near me again. And you understand? Now, they can't go make arrangements. Omozuo and the lady, they can't go make arrangements. Me, I did my own. Minding my business. Now they get me. Omozuo say, it's just that their dominion where they run up and down. Dominion where they expire so for Facebook. Now so they run go Omozuo platform that time. They go, they do PA. Go, they carry video, come to the saga me. A queen can say, a queen can say, a queen can say. Omozuo do so say, he go carry, as I even want the reply dominion, I can't abandon Frank. I can't abandon Frank due to how people take them my neck, say queen la zobo. I can't face dominion. When Omozuo comes to say me face dominion, he said they insult me. When he comes to say me face dominion, Omozuo paper why I send Omozuo money. Omozuo can go find my old Facebook. He can go bring my brothers, their children, small children. Omozuo no go and be we can't they cry for this Facebook say now so they bring Mama Kevin e money me ag ben recipe si le lian im we period it to the lian we post on Facebook na ebode as you see me so I know why even the verse because give her verse I know they feel control myself he do za your toy boy me no person una they get me Omozuo can go pack those my brothers picture come pack and he come put some for a war can go put some for dominion war hoping say if he do that one he go use that one say like I don't know what it be one art. Me na adult. My brothers know they feed me for a very long time. Now I don't they depend on myself. Even if I offend my brother like this or anybody for my family, they will feel even if it too pain, they are yes 1 week, they'll forgive me because they got no choice. They got no choice. We know many. Talk less of people when they don't even do Facebook, when they don't even send what they happen for Facebook. All those are normal street boys, they know where self before. Now they get me. They can't go post them. Now that posting where Omozuo post, my own people so. That's okay. This time around, that woman for America, now they call me again. Oh, boundaries don't already go. Now say no wala, Omozuo, this one where you come so, you know go. When me come say comment, come to the reply on Omozuo, first video, as Omozuo do that thing, first video, when me do for Omozuo. When I take bitter, when I take polite, that Omozuo never reach us. Then Mama Kevias. Now I take go call the woman where the America so. Say where that one put here. Make it come oh. Queen the saga and sis for that side oh. Queen at that period. Now Mama Kevi because you know the only saga me the saga Becky. The saga now Mama Kevi picture and everything they fall out. Now Mama Kevi with the children, but the husband everything will throw away all of them. But you useless papa with your gogoro wife everything. Man, I feel lay yakwa your Facebook. Because now if I do all those things, all in life, I get them before. I just look and say, if he craze finish, he go enter us. As he do that, he now bring his generation. I feel lay up on Facebook. Now they get me. Now I bring and throw away. But I not bring a picking comment. I not bring a picking comment. Now they get me. As me go reply, most of them go tell that woman say, where that one put here? Because you know say the way I say comment. I go finish her, not be joke. You know, because you know say when they use truth, they beat person. Even if that person go pretend say, nah lie she they talk, nah lie she they talk, but deep down in him, he knows everything when they talk now truth. If you want to redo saga for this Facebook, they use truth. No matter how your platform small reach. Now a report and everything, how they make your safe platform small view go, they forget about that one. But that truth, talk and 3 years time go come and say, this one not the way this girl fed up. Now they get me. Now I tell Royta Omozuo go call that woman. You say you be my mom. Don't say fine boundaries, don't they? Even the insult her, he called as Omozuo called the insult us, because they insult a pipe bizube. Omozuo called the insult a pipe bizube, not even not a pipe bizube. So they go bring a pipe bizube wife come out, where they dance or be like saying happy Christmas, where pipe bizube with the family tell wish all of us happy Christmas, where the lady zip open small, and never sure whether you open whether Omozuo or by go down. Omozuo can't go carry that video, call to the saga pipe bizube, a pipe bizube no do anything. Can't put all of us call the saga house. When me call it, I made the bitter, pipe bizube the bitter. He can't go tell the woman say, hey, see you with the bitter. With the bitter. The woman not call me, may ask me. This thing why they talk. So the woman sister they away. She know 100% the truth of all this matter. She know. The woman never call me say, Queen, see what I hear. Queen, why you do like this? She can't go pay people. Happiness where they Nigeria papilo. presenters, the one where they Germany, the one where they France, you can't go pay. They wish all of us made a consaga me at us. Wish the audio that Frank play this evening, and I'm going to play that audio tomorrow. No, I see you might be people who don't best who don't defend. Use my chest, collect bullet for this Facebook for how many years? I should pay me back. For the same matter, now me they see they talk, they go say I be bad person, but thank God say the OT don't leak. OT is there. Now they get me, my people. Those people now call they you know, those people call the saga. They call they use indirect. Tell the saga me. You get, they call they use indirect. Tell the saga me. The one where they Germany come open a platform for her, make she for talk. You understand? The one where they Germany come open a platform for her, make she for talk. Now there she for your start to they insult me. A queen no matter come and buy you. A queen mommy. A queen she come they insult me for there. But only one thing where the man talk when I like. Only one thing where the man talk when I like. And she they do that saga, they insult me. The man sit tell and say, but again, in my insulting where I cut that place skip. I cut that place skip. Where that man tell and say, again, in my insulting where two place now cut for that man video. Where if for talk say, again, in my insulting where and where if the man for sit talk say, now most now he tell her say, me they insult her. Meanwhile, me never insult her. She already they pay people down. People when she give money, come they wait for video. When me go take insult her, make them for analyze her. When I see the way they want to enter my body. When Frank oh yeah say she called through that man platform for Germany, Frank come start to the saga that man. He can't even leave me. He called the saga that man because Frank no say she don't go give people money. Everybody where Frank no say she give money, call the saga, they call the sharpness. Frank come they beat them. Now be the audio where Frank play just now. Where she they tell Frank say, why Frank call the saga people where she go recruit to come fight me for no reason. My people. More they see human being. Now they get me. Now she now they ask Frank say, why Frank won't stop those? Why can't they insult those people? Why stop them? Why make them not saga? Because now Frank fed your come and come to say these people where won't fight for us, so she paid them. You understand? So those ones they call they feel like get the way you say person say you pay, and the worst part they not see video where me tell insult her where they go analyze. Even after she don't insult me, don't say she go carry my mouth for us. I still say the family why for corner. One family where you always like take it, it go further. When she can't talk all those things, finish your live video. After even the man they tell her say, oh Mathieu bon Mathieu bon. This woman join Frank. She can't they fight me. She they join her boyfriend. She won't beat me. She won't do me this. She won't do me this. Thanks for joining my lady. Sit down on top. She can't they join Frank. She won't beat me. She won't do this. She won't lie for my head. She won't do this one. And she come out for me and Ibizugbe. The audio there say the people where she sent them to come beat now me with a pie Ibizugbe. I talk her for this live video. I told the pie Ibizugbe. When that saga start, I told the pie Ibizugbe for my live to say the person where she wants made the saga now me with you. Now me with you. Now they get me. When she hears me talk, me go talk say now me with a pie Ibizugbe. Now she won't make the saga. She can't come out again for the man platform for Germany. Can't talk say Ibizugbe they insult her. She with Ibizugbe not get any problem. Now they get me. Say na me and she or me bewo. Ciao mama, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Now they get me. Say na me and she or me bewo. But I go come play the audio for now tomorrow. Where she tell Frank say people where she be go pay. She go pay them. Make the cost Gabe with the pie Ibizugbe. And me with the pie Ibizugbe. Now wow we sit down where Frank call they insult us. Una swear people they use money to the oppressed person. Una they see am. Just me call your bone. I can't leave them. Make they talk. Frank, they do you yaga. I will say, you understand? You do. When me can't answer or mozo. When I can't beat him. When Frank comes, he say, me and the lady don't separate. We know they play again. Frank can't stop to the saga me. My people, when they see human being. Frank can't stop to the saga me. He can't start to the saga the people. Where she give money to come fight me. Now there, I can't pick a lot of word for inside. where the power they jam, you can't talk and say, Omozwo, no be you call the woman to say, again, you know, retaliate a bonnet. My people, now they see people for life. Okay, this time matter, according to the way me take explain to Nana, me wrong, go abi get where I offend this lady, abi me with a get issue, abi I wish her bad, abi I do her bad. The matter not end there. This woman can meet a lot of people. And si papi also come and talk, okay, yo, now go person where do good for now. Una these people they don't see any video. When I tell insult her, you know they. When I they do video, when I go talk, say money where you share for people. You give me money, fine. No be only me you give. The money where you give us, now truth. No be only me you give. Now you tell me say you won't use this money just to do like Sarah for all of us because January you won't start your own life, you won't live your life, you won't get time for presenter. Which me 100% I support because every day yaga. I know iye queen. Me self I can't share for myself. I can't even dey happy say thank God though she don't come up because she not even agree me I do saga. She not agree me I do saga because she feels in a Frank I will come saga. That was the main reason she tell me say make I stop saga. You want to get me? Because she feels in a Frank I will come saga. So she can't tell me make me stop saga. Why Frank or Mozo they saga me for the other side? But when me can decide to say no, this one don't too much. When they get me, this one don't too much. Now she can't go. She not even reason say Mozo don't they saga this girl since so this girl never really saga Mozo or this girl and she know because I did deal call many times when she go to tell Mozo say. A queen in my tear born a queen in my so time said she go swear for Frank. Say, why you they insult queen for there? Or go boy, should they insult Frank? You know, say that woman, you know, they be not the fair person. Or if my bug be Frank in it, she'll still call me. Let me say, you just swear for Frank. Say, make me know your worry, may I not talk. Me, I don't leave Frank for I go and do everything. Because me, I tell her, say, Frank, no, if they insult me, I look out. Because I get platform, I get platform. As I get fans, that's why. Even if there are 3 people, I don't say yes. I get people who still get me for hearts, who love me. All these things, who me nyanga. I need to clear myself. She go say no queen because of me. And I look and say na truth. Really that time for Mozo one, if for Mozo na lie for Mozo your day mama Kevin has, he go defend me, he go block the woman. So that he go come go use me do excuse. Wait till me know your do. You go tell the woman say, me they insult her for live video. Me they insult her for live video. So because of that one, now they do what they do. Make the woman not call like go before you go block the woman. That one now come the verse say, yeah, go queen hear me. He can't make queen not see her, you know the year. She go fixing her because of me, Omozo they block her. But me already tell say, Omozo not go carry you go anywhere. Omozo tell me, Omozo na mumu. Not even knowing that all this while where Frank they fight us. Frank they friend Sylvia, my darling. They propose to Mama Kevin. This lady where they Spain, no Mama Mama let love lead. Frank des, if you ever do visit Frank, why go be for or why you go na nya no we here wo. But he go defend person we go take excuse. You dey follow woman, you know what your woman not like. You know all this from beginning to the end of this relationship. You know get one day one must give this lady peace. Truth not say me they not talk. People now they talk say the way the woman say they talk. Now so the woman they talk follow all the platform. Now so the woman they follow up all presenter. Not be the woman fault. Now Mozo push her to that estate. Now Mozo push her to that estate because I wish what did that lady need a genuine relationship, pure relationship. No use that play game. If you are in, you are in. If you are out, you are out. Because that's what she said. She not go cheat you. She not go cheat on you. She not go leave you stranded. She not go they suffer you. She go make you feel at home. She go make you feel welcome. She go show you love. She go do everything for you. She go even carry your family as she say na our own family. Okay, we should know that thing man when they fight for woman. We should know that thing when man they fight for woman. If the woman say Omozo don't block her, she go need somebody to report to. Now when I tell the sister she go call presenter, I can't explain to presenter with you. Or if she and Omozo don't get fat for inside phone, especially when Omozo dey Mama Kevin house. Omozo go on live video, go call they insult her. Omozo go they insult her. She now go call need somebody to talk to. Somebody when either the person go the saga or Omozo, or if you get Mama Kevin picture, or I go fit see any woman where Omozo dey with. Make she herself fight back. Yes, make she herself fight back. All those audio women they play where they say the woman they insult woman like one day you got the call when she called the wrong person they insult down, not be her fault. Now Mose will push her to that extent. Now when she got the thought say the woman not normal, the woman be like this. So now Mose will push her to that extent. Mose left that lady with no choice. Mose left her with no choice. If they say me they talk on, now Mose will not even agree make the lady go. Because Mose was using her for her money, not for love. Mose was using her. My lady is almost a narcissist. Yes, so better narcissist. Mose was using her for her money. Mose was poor and broke. Mose needed the money. Una know hear the way as the forward that come from you. Mose they tell her say he never pay her rent. All those as well Mose they do fancy ponky pon. Now the woman they pay her rent for my people. As I say now the woman go rent the house now she go say they pay her rent. But deep down in Mose you know say no go marry this woman. Okay, since when me come out for their premises now. Now 1 year, this no December, I make out 1 year. My people, no be fight. Almost one this lady fight. Can't reach this 1 year. Not be February, I be March, almost or do marriage. I be April. Not be almost or do marriage. Before almost or go they do marriage, almost or not, you know see her. Almost or not see her. Person where he promise marriage, he go marry her, he go do this one, he love her, he do this, he do that. If hungry don't they beat almost go lawyer. Almost on the dollar and a better visual. If you hungry don't they beat you and that your family a now you they find the woman by yourself. The time when the woman deal with me, I tell the woman say, a useless boy now. Time when you go to the look road, if now 3 days you stay for Mama Kevi has to go block you. Club no day America. Where about the bon shot in all clubbing? We are rocky, we are rocky, we are in here. A boy no we are born but she thought maybe I know me well for her, or I get bad intention about her. I told her everything. Say, be careful from Omozo. I even tell sister say, if she marry Omozo, now every day Omozo will tell the saga the family. I know what they talk about because Omozo they swear for her. Since we almost enter this family, now problem to problem, go reach a passport audio. Almost will play. Hey, wait till I go say what God do for me, what God do for you. Yeah. Go reach a passport audio. He won't do one to tell the woman not only against her family, not only against our friends, against the whole world and the whole media. Now, wait till Omozo. Imagine audio where the woman, where Omozo play. Now, where they talk say, where the woman, they tell Omozo, say, my daughter, they sharp, where, you know, even all my sisters, where they, all my people, where they America, yeah. Now, my daughter, I ain't no book pass. Best see they talk that kind of thing. Omozo record. Okay, I used to make those ones, mama and papa can feel. Now, say they carry their picking matter, go they take presenter, where be useless boy. Omozo they talk about how many 100 people they wash up. This one man where they carry entire family, my people. When would they tell ourselves the truth? This one man where they carry entire family. I wish as Omozo they saga this lady now. All this year, maybe Omozo not just date any other person. Omozo was faithful. Omozo they calm. Omozo not they cheat. I thought say now the woman I fuck up, you understand? The woman say your man say what you want for they do. No be the one where be say I am Omozo yawu. Woman, they promise all of them marriage they go. Tomorrow, but say that they Russian. Omozo cannot date you, may tell you say no go marry you. Everybody want your marry. If you say if you desperate for us, no, we are more that they go. I want you see them belong work with no one ever no bien. You will say what? Omozo no they reject. Omozo no they reject. If they come now, they play the woman people. This also Omozo, what about the women when you carry? Were you faithful in the relationship? You see any other man will come and go to say, na so the woman to stand, na so he friend the woman. He did. Even when they say she they call this one, now let she not keep person. You see say the woman they waka pio. Omozo. No be you be a share wo. Were you faithful in that relationship for 1 day? You the frauder, your family the frauder. Your no this ana boy. No wana you dem is there. last year December, by this time, the woman tell me, say, Queenie, you don't know what thing go share for people. She said she feel like to share something. Now I say, she be one share for her. Now I say, hey, mama, anyone where you feel like. He say, even if not rice, say she feel like to share for people where she like. Now she say she go share rice. That's small bag of rice. My people. She would tell me, say, Queen, you go tell my person, may they go carry my own. We almost will tell you, say, this woman want share rice. Say she won't give me. Almost will carry all your family. No, I mean, say, I'm not while I did. Me where they, you know how many bag of rice they buy the dash people. Almost will carry a family, all of the carry rubber bag, make bow. There is sister, where there is your sister, be like she passing have the rubber bag, they go pack all that rice. Almost will tell them, say, me they not give my person. No be say my person go there, my person not go. Because even that time, what already they grant me, say if I just lock up. No be say we don't even, like social media, say we don't do anything. Whenever they fight for social media. But the woman not call, they call me again, due to almost instruction. Me your lock up, because after I know the Nigeria. Even the rice, now let mama the house. The one with me even they buy for herself. So they'll say just so some aunt go full ya mukwa. I talk less of the one my brothers they do. But I just if you look and say, now gift. Now they get me. Now so almost will pack a family, go pack that rice. As the day when they go share that rice, a very close person call me say, Queen, see, they go share rice. I say, they share rice. I say, yeah, I say, thank God, God will bless her. She really said she go share rice. God will bless her. At least those people now let me get tomatoes, they'll come back, make the take shop the rice. Already tell me say, now most of family, now she share the rice. I was like, okay, no problem. But now me and she talk, decide that is okay, see what she go share. I never even put her for because I will not as me daddy she go me know the shop. I know the shop rice. Maybe if I eat rice once in a week or once in a I think we eat rice once in a month. I they like mostly starch, yam, plantain, all those and them they like. Even semo also. But they see sometimes if I post mostly starch, I they starch way. It remind me of my people. This lady do good for me. I know like, but I be not want to say make we come quarrel to take separate. Where I do agree, you come be like say I bomb my yesterday. My bomb my yesterday, my people. It might bomb my yesterday. Now they get me. Because I know the people will not know what they do for her. She do for me. Now so me too I do for her. I know how many bullets I collect because of her. I know how many saga I collect because of her. I know how many dragging. I know how many nails will not be my own I collect because of her. For this media, not be saying I me cause the reason why they saga her. Now most was still cause her. Almost go bring Julie London with a lot of ladies come out for UK. Those ones then go bring her family come out and everything. Almost will not top it. The whole media, if you they dominion, a lot of people they drag her, the mama joy. No, not say mama joy. If you see one topic or one year, if you that person for 3 months. Now let me come put body. My people, that might not be good. What they do for person. After all, I be not to put. Now she still tell me say, Frankie, I want my down okay, Queenie. I want my down okay. When you tell for maybe social media, I've said these things with time for many times. I wish I for not to repeat. I for not even remember to repeat again. Yeah, tell about me, yeah, tell about me, Queenie. Frankie, want my down okay. I can't see reason as okay. As I say, I get platform. May I see they talk to these people. I call they make them understand. Say, she not be bad person. She be nice person. If you get close to her, you go like her. She's not bad. After all, now they see her. She they give us stuff for here. You know good now. Now say because they give Frank star now. Call they saga her. You understand? Call they talk all those things. As Frank also see me come out. Call they defend this lady. The next video way Frank do. He just message to me. He say why don't want me? He say if the woman give me 50 euro finish me, or call they fight people for social media. If the woman give me 50 euro finish me, or call they me no even know say. Now mama every the 3 winches now the remote muzzle head. A matter muzzle. Akwe they do vale ya kwawe no ya sumo my people. No really buy your ya my body and still body na do mukbe. Ile kenije mana. Ade be bogun ya tie no post mo picture me ya bere me. Enu be tie ba ata ahon woke. Give me no time but then I will know if I can prove myself or I know fit. I know the life for person. I know sabi lie. Now they get me so. Me you come out. I go to defend the woman. I go to defend the woman. I go to defend the woman. I go to defend you. Even true as I dey defend the woman. Now the woman sister take see me for Facebook. Where she take call me. Call they pray for me. Almost will just see something they defend the woman. Almost will just online video. Hey Queenie. Hey 50 euro. 50 euro. First way dey Europe. Hey you dey Europe. 50 euro. Now they say you may go to 5 people. 50 euro. Now they give you may go to 5 people. Whereas so here not pay 50 euro. If she all call me, Queen, you want, I say, Mama, you're relaxing. You go say, when my day one, you're there now. I say, I beg, I'm not drinking everywhere. I know your drink, maybe drink not in my fridge or something. Or when man, you're there. Or when you're there, or when Mujani need $50, when you're there. Sometimes you give me $100. Now, so she take the do. Now, so she take the do because we they talk for video call, everything she they see. Even if I they drink, sometimes she will see the sip small for that. So we also they just minding our business. Almost will just go spoil the woman mind. So he was happy then. When they saga, yes, now when anytime they saga the lady, almost what they happy deep down. Because not only almost what they happy, almost was pleasing Mama Kevin. Now when the OTT boss, let me continue say, so all those time when they saga this lady, almost will keep his first wife, his second wife. I know say Sylvia and my darling, but almost would already line up there for granted. Say Mama Kevin go be first. Oh no, Sylvia was first. Mama Kevin go be second, or Mama Kevin go be first. Sylvia go be second. You get? So if they call they beat this lady with the America, almost will go they celebrate. If you can't defend her, almost will go fight you. Now wait till you do reach my body. As those people where she still go give money during the time when somebody they come fighting, as those ones wants to defend the same woman, almost started fighting those people. When she tell here for my platform, through me, now this lady tell me she investor. My people, through me, now this lady tell me she investor. Now me give them investor number. I never talked on before for this social media. Today na the first day when I tell the talk. Now me give them investor number. Now me conference sister with investor together so many times. When I call the investor, say this your fans, she like you, all those things. When I see they eat, the lady called me. She said she wants support investor. Yeah, she said she wants support investor. That time they call they donate money. Now they get me. That time when she give investor 500,000. She called me, she said she wants support investor. I called her, I said, Mama, call investor. She said, no, make I call investor. May I follow investor talk. Now I take call investor. When me take the investor, say, one of my fans say one support. You know me say I know if you make sure her name. Now she beg me say, Queen, eso ni me Frank ya wa talk be one. Or what be one. Frank almost what they busy the saga. You know say the woman with his sister they like investor. Now they get me. Because anywhere I follow that time, now the woman they follow. Who I like, now she they like. Who I they support, now she they support. Regardless of anything. Even when she and Frank see they, when we say they all those things, now it support investor for marriage. Now miss the call. For live video, as you might also talk and say, he support her with investor with 500,000. Now me tell her, and she instantly they do the transfer. She give me receipt. Investor see the live video. I call investor, they confirm the receipt. As Frank just see that thing. Now so it start. I bet you want to collabo. Now I bet you give her that money. Oh, Queen, yo. Now so use me sharp before me wake up for morning and my brother's picture I call they see for Facebook. The reason almost will go bring my brothers, both their children, everything come out. Now because of that 500,000. How many of you now remember? Because of the 500,000 where that lady they support investor. Now your muscle they bring my family come out. Me and the woman not get quarrel. We not get any issue because if to say we the quarrel, she for not call me to connect to investor, say one support investor. That night see they break almost will not sleep. Now they bring my family, connect me to say I not go give her a chance again. That's the only time I know say I disrespect this woman. Because she call me tell me say, Queen Zobo, Queen Lana. I say no, enough is enough. If I dey fight for people for media, I not fit defend my whole family. Now I be say I don't know myself. Yes, now. That was what I told the lady. We made the lady come the verse. I tell the lady, if I dey fight for people for media, I not fit defend my own family. That is my boy I work in the government. That me I boy will not the story be that now. Even the dominion, all of them they carry. I say no, I not fit. No matter any I beg, say Queen will saga. I say this time I will do saga. Una they get me. Now so the matter test start to. Because of 500,000 where they support investor or if the bishop me la diane now they follow when almost will say me don't be calora he come go laugh for the woman say Queenie no where we went Queenie tiabom no Queenie tiabom. The woman was calling me when I did life. I not pick my people. I not laugh on her. I not pick. Even her sister call me also. I not pick again. Now say Frank don't you do the reason why I put the saga from because you don't get right to they monitor my platform. When me know say you they friend a lot of girls, not even say you faithful to your girlfriend, papa. You dey friend a lot of girls. Wetin dey find for my platform? What is your business with my platform? I have a lot of fans where they get money, where they support. So I tell investors, okay, somebody want to support. I don't make sure anybody need. How you go come tell me say because of say you know say one particular person will get money dey my platform. So because of that reason, may it is obozo way. Even my own body where they insult me, I dey look you. If I wear with one, hey, now they don't buy this with one. Oh, if I wear polo, hey, they don't buy a polo. If I do this one, hey. Since now when you tell us now the woman where the American, they pay my house rent or more. How many house you don't lose now? Me, I never lose one. Me, when you say that you are not talking now that lady they pay almost house rent. Tomorrow now I want to play the audio. Well, almost what they talk say he never pay house rent. So the woman say oh pay house rent for months. We no work basena, we no zua sena. If he tell you say good money, I will go. If he tell you good money, go look time. A paradise they may hear room with nobody. They maybe tomorrow I carry camera follow everywhere. Make I show you empty room. Ne boy, nobody dey. No gbewo wa gbonu se gbo e wari ana gbo e wari ari. I market now. When you call the saga me that I call the lie because people were like, "What we can do? What we can do? Who know you not fit to give away again? Who know you not fit to give away again? What can talk? Queenie, they record the woman. Queenie, they record the woman. Queenie, they record the woman. Only as you want. But today now call Bobby. Now you they play the woman record. Oh. You know only play the woman record. They play the whole family record. If they know about where they know there's so many people. Let me leave you guys like this tomorrow. We march and I don't get any issue with the woman. I know the verse of the woman. I know that because I know that everything she did it because of a muzzle. I know that one 100%. That is why when people push me, as they tell me, they say, Queen saga. I said, no, I will not saga her. Because I know that a day like, I was just patient to say, okay, no problem. She go see what I did tell her by myself. By herself, I mean. Which she really they see her now. Say Omozuo. The thing what Omozuo the saga put now. She no know one not to because Omozuo see now say she dey close to Mama Ego. According to the story, say she dey marry Mama Ego brother. She don't born. Omozuo come dey cry for live video. Omozuo one fair life for her head. A useless family where the woman never call for a very long time. Omozuo said the woman go call them. But when saga can start, now we can see say they don't seize the land. Now Mama Ego sees a bottle for Frank hand. For Frank now to come out ask the godmother he land paper. With the DJ, I've been a BJ where they give money, we say they give money. Now he go stick bolo, you are come out for where that one sit down. Pack that one family, come outside, call they insult them. That will not be oppression, my people. That will not be oppression. If that woman, if she give me go ahead to donation you a muzzle, provided she will fit take lawyer, we go they answer her, she go they talk for phone. Koro. Me, I will go station. I'll go donation you. I'll go donation you. This your head will make mokoro so. I'll go donation you. She go take her own personal lawyer. I'll give her the lawyer number. Anything she want to send to the lawyer, she'll send to the lawyer. The day of this thing, I will go court. I'll go represent her for courts. I'll not be illegal migrant. Even in a bay, not in or come so that way court is some do quick at the if they zebu look they break by mutia. Not they know they do me anything. Ah yes, if they ask me, say, come over, say, yente. I will stand straight. So far you must wu you must pay for your crime when you commit. Because this is oppression. You want make people know say the woman a bad person. I know you where there is swing. Oh where there is swing, but the people where they play their voice notes, now those ones they pay me. Because all those people, they don't need problem, they suffer, they do their own, they go. As you don't play one woman audio this evening, that woman people now are friends, everything. Before you know, now present as once they don't go to find the woman picture, they go, okay, no sooner the more picture who the moon there. I went to go more again the voice of her. On a begging Frank, oh madam. That woman supposed now the person way supposed to do you something for betraying her. Or you they date Mama Kevin. You tell the woman say they date Mama Kevin. No. You not tell the woman say they date Mama Kevin. Girl, when you date for Verona, you not talk. A lot of women when you date, minus the one where they live video, when we know. But you not tell her, say they date all those people. Because no woman go they give you money when they know say you get another girlfriend. You know they. Even when they call you when they block her, they go Mama Kevin. As if you still come back, you'll deny. You'll deny. You'll say that the way she take out to you, the thing invest you, and make you block her. Whereas na Mama Kevin ask you go. Sometimes she go see for live video, you dey Mama Kevin ask. She'll come say you go Mama Kevin ask, you'll say, hey, na your godson. Nobody fit tell you, may you not play with your godson. Nobody fit tell you, say, the woman can't really believe say that small rat na your godson. Now last they can't still know say, me I feel no say you dey knock Mama Kevin. I feel no say you dey knock Mama Kevin because I got the information and it was legit. It was legit. You can't deceive the woman. The woman can't even buy cloth for Kevin. Buy for your mama. They give them money. As a widow of 4 children, when none of the children get papa. The woman said, we don't carry mama Kevin responsibility. Now when he can't no say, una de knack. Not be she, I can't tell you, say, hey. The same thing you do for Becky. You they date Becky, you say you know they date Becky. The woman can't send Becky money to tell they give you star. They send Becky. But when she can't tell no, say you they date Becky. The thing versa. I know many times she report Becky to me. Even when Becky go they do live video, they support her that time. She go say me Becky no call her because she felt betrayed. She go say, na me go even the camera, mama Becky ma wave it up. I Frank or stay. Becky, she even tell me that time, say, but Queenie, a lot of things why I don't want to talk. Many things. I know, so you go use your mouth to confess something. Maybe you play the audio that day. When she talk for Becky back, maybe you play her. I know so many days where you never play. Where walk, my own way days I play. If you like me from here alone, go reach Oba Market. Get time. You know fit on my brain. All things have passed away. At least thank God. The old thing, no, no, 12 years for Europe. No 50 by 100. You know if they shave. You go buy land for Ogun State. For near Ibadan. Now you for go buy land. See you see Benin. As in air go there. Where elephants they come out for bush for afternoon. Now you for go buy land. I said now you for go buy land. You want buy land, you don't buy better, you go buy 30 by 30. 30 by 30 when not rich person if they do bacon. I mean not be bacon, they call that. That first block where they put for ground, where they write something for the not be bacon. 30 by 30 when not rich person they do bacon. You want